Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to share with you guys these eBay smoked LED side marker lights for your GMC 25, 3500 and what to expect. So you're gonna get a smoke lens. It's gonna be a set of 4. These are gonna have an amber and a red setup for the front and rear. No additional wiring. Let's get these suckers on and see what they look like. Here we have the OEM and the aftermarket light side by side. Connectors are the same. The molding looks identical. So as far as the smoke side marker lights, they are DOT approved and rated at IP67, meaning they are fully waterproof. Just a quick tip, go ahead and pre-thread the mounting holes just because they come non-threaded and you're gonna have a hell of a time threading these in if they're mounted inside the fender flare because there isn't a thread. So just go ahead and pre-thread them with the existing screws that you have. And I apologize guys, this is not a how-to install video. These are pretty cut and dry, plug and play. But this is more of a first look at these lights. All right guys, so there you have it. The video doesn't do it justice, but these side markers are mega bright. You can see these LEDs from a mile away. So I'll probably do like a 6-month update and see how they're holding up. And just wanted to share with you guys this video. You guys see these on eBay, you know what to expect. Peace, have a good one.